This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in North Richmond. More specifically, I am in a section called Washington Park, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This home is located here in a real quiet subdivision. We've got a mature neighborhood. It's very convenient to North Richmond, of course, the highways, the city of Richmond, Western Henrico. It's just a great location. A lot of people love to call it home. I've actually covered several homes just within a few hundred yards of this one, so it is someplace that definitely is popular. Today I wanted to talk about money, and it's so fitting because this is the second greenhouse that we have looked at in a row. This is a new rehab, and it is in great condition. The owner went in and did an amazing amount of work. And so I'm excited to bring it to you. Special thanks to Danae Dobler with the Lemus Group, who gave us permission to come in and share it with you. Be sure to stay tuned to the end. I'm going to give something away here, and I want you to stay tuned to the end so maybe you can be the lucky winner. Today I wanted to talk about money and how important it is in a real estate transaction. Of course, most people finance their transaction, and if you've been paying attention to the news, you know that currently interest rates have risen, and they are expected to go up even higher. The Fed bumped rates here today, I believe, and they're going to go up again by all indication. That means that mortgage rates, mortgage money, your monthly payments will most likely go up as well. Now, rates are very important when it comes to a purchase, and I'll give you an example. On a $400,000 mortgage, the difference between a mortgage in the threes, where we've seen it in the past, and what you would get today in the 7 range could be $800 or more per month. On a $400,000 loan, we're now talking a difference of about $9,600 a year. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know about you, but for me, that's a lot of money. So it's a big difference just by way of the financing that you get. Okay, there are ways to combat that, and let me explain it to you. I've given an example in the past on how someone can get that monthly payment way down as a byproduct of assumption, but I wanted to bring it to you again because it's just something that's so important, and a lot of people don't really understand it. A lot of agents actually don't understand it or do it because it's not something that we're accustomed to. These rates rose so quickly, it just kind of caught people by surprise. But basically, if someone has an FHA or a VA loan now, and you qualify for that type of financing, you can come in and assume or basically take their place. All you have to do is give them cash for their equity. Now, that cash, of course, could be $50, $70, could be $100,000, just depending on how their balance is. But there are people that have retirement accounts, and for many people that have those accounts, there is a penalty to withdraw some of that money, and that penalty is commonly 10%. Now, let's say you took out $60,000 from retirement and the penalty was $6,000. Would you take out $6,000 in order to save $9,600 per year? Well, most people, they would. I'm not giving financial advice, but I am sharing common sense. So you kind of have to think outside of the box. Real estate is not just about pretty bathrooms and nice kitchens. It's about the money, because ultimately it's the biggest investment you'll ever make, and the money is key. I can sell you a house that's beautiful, but if the financing is awful or the numbers don't make sense, then it's kind of not really worth it. But it's a beautiful thing if you can get not only a house that you love, but financing that you love even more. That just is icing on the cake, and that's kind of my goal when I work with buyers, is to get them the best deal possible. Going to your bank that has your checking and savings account is not necessarily the best deal for you. The best deal for you is going to be to work with somebody that knows the business and how they can get you in a program that's going to benefit you the most. For example, I gave you an example just a few weeks ago with a lender at our real estate convention, and I'll put the link down below. You make sure you take a look at it if you didn't see it already, where she talks about a tax credit program. And these programs fly under the radar for most people because they don't advertise them, and the only lenders that use them are the ones that have these products in their portfolio. You can actually get tax credit, which is a reduction dollar for dollar in your tax liability, your tax bill, for buying a house, but you have to use the right loan that's only offered by some lenders. And these are very good loan products. The lenders I use they're at the top of their game here in Richmond. So you got to hand pick your agent. You got to hand pick your lender. Becky, that works in accounting and has had her license for 5 years and done 7 transactions, is probably not the best person for the job. She just doesn't have the experience. You may love her to death, but she doesn't have the experience and the knowledge to really benefit her clients like somebody that's tried and true, been doing this day in and day out for over a decade. It's a big difference in the quality of service and the expertise that you're gonna get. Okay, let's talk about this house a little bit. You can see here, they've got a nice open floor plan. I imagine that was a wall and they took it out in order to open this home up. When these homes were built back in the 1930s, they didn't do open floor plans like this. It was just not a thing. So they did a great job here giving us a modern floor plan. We have a wood burning stove. They put out a tremendous amount of heat if you desire to use it. Of course, this home does have central heat and air, so you don't have to chop out any wood in order to get it nice and warm in here. We've got nice windows here. Plenty of light flows in through those replacement windows. This is going to be an LVP on the floor. And right here is going to be our hall bath. They did a great job with these bathrooms. Our black and white color scheme is consistent here throughout this home. We've got a nice granite vanity top there, and of course ceramic tile on the floor. We even have a little window there at the shower, which is a really neat plus. All right, we're gonna go down our secondary bedroom wing first, and then take a look at the other side. This bedroom is neat because not only do we have plenty of space here for a queen size bed, but we have 2 closets. And so we've got extra closet space here, which is really nice in some of these older homes because typically they don't have a lot of closet space as they were originally designed. And another closet right here. Both of these are equal in size, so nice plus. There is a door going off there to the backyard, and they're gonna clean up the debris and the vehicle back there. This home just hit the market. You guys know I'm a big fan of getting in these homes as soon as they come on the market because I want you to have the first crack at them. This, of course, a coat closet here at the end of the hallway. All right, let's go back through and take a look at our beautiful kitchen. Now, they did a couple things in here that I really like. And the first is right here on this edge. This is, of course, where your refrigerator would go. And they brought this down all the way to the floor. The benefit of it is when you come in the front door, I've seen some rehabs where the first thing you see is the side of a refrigerator. And so here you've got that nice, clean, finished look here with the cabinetry. Also, we've got the 42-inch cabinets, and they gave us a nice molding there at the very top. So they go all the way to the ceiling, of course, meeting that recessed lighting and our smooth top. All the appliances do convey, and they did a great job here. Also, with the backsplash, this is a herringbone style ceramic top backsplash. So when you are frying fish or cooking chicken right here, and you get that grease splatter there on the wall, you don't have to worry about it. You just wipe it down, and you're good to go. Our double bowl sink, and of course, stainless dishwasher convey as well. All right, let's take a look at our next bedroom. This one's gonna have an ensuite bath, which is a neat plus. I believe that bed, it looks like it may be a queen, and our closet is right here. Good storage space there. We do have a window that's in place, and here is our ensuite. Very similar styling to the hall bath. Got that nice nook in there for your products and a LED light right there over the tub shower area. Some natural light through that window, and once again, the granite vanity top. We're now gonna go into the front bedroom, and it is right here to the right. The thing I love about this home as well is it doesn't take a huge income to be able to afford something like this. This home is well below the median price here in Virginia. Median price just hit $400,000 not long ago. So it's really nice to have a renovated home that's significantly less than that. So you don't have to, make this huge income in order to buy. There is 100% financing available. There's grant money available. I would definitely recommend that if you're thinking about buying a house, do everything you can to reduce your debt load. Because now with interest rates going up, that means credit cards are going up. That means auto loans are going up. You want to do everything you can to get mean and lean. If that means getting a second job, then for a lot of people it's worth it. Just do whatever you can to cut expenses and try to pay off that consumer debt. All right, I'm gonna give something away now. We're gonna go outside and I'm gonna share with you that one of my favorite guilty pleasures is my favorite muffin. It is a gourmet muffin shop in the West End on Broad Street. They've been in business now about 5 months, and I'm gonna give a gift certificate away to my favorite muffin. So if you answer the following question, you will be the winner. There is a very popular musical artist. He has gone by a number of different names here in the past, and he has a song, and that song references a historical figure that has a strong association with money. And so the first person to put down in the comment section who that historical figure is will be the winner. You got to be local here to Metro Richmond area, since the establishment is here in Richmond. Max Williams, 804-402-7788. You can reach on Facebook under Richmond Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.